Good morning, everyone. Today we are in my, I always say tied for favorite place, Calico Ghost Town. We're in Yermo outside of Barstow. It is California Day, celebrating California and mining history. If you did not know, our tied for favorite place, Knott's Berry Farm, Walter Knott of Knott's Berry Farm, restored this real ghost town, restored it to its former glory, and then donated it to the county of San Bernardino for use as a county park, and it has been here for decades. And you'll see a lot of influences from Calico when you go to Knott's Berry Farm. So there's a full day, look at this, of entertainment lined up. We're gonna see it all. Let's go.
I'm thirsty, give me some of that coffee. Wait, that's coffee? That's moonshine. Jeff, I'm getting it here. Jeff, I remember throwing you out of town just last week. What are you doing back here? I got to get some coffee. I'm all out. What? I was out there making my breakfast yesterday, and I was cooking my grits and eggs, and I turned around, and Lulu, she done ate my coffee grounds. Oh, Lulu's my mule. You're really eating coffee grounds? Yeah, like I said, I was sitting there cooking my breakfast, and I turned around, she was eating my. But you should have seen. Woo! I'm gonna kill you. You're gonna kill me? I'm gonna kill you over coffee. Over coffee. What do you guys think of that? Do we have a gunfight?
Yeah.
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 Do you guys shoot him or should he shoot me? You folks are sick. Alright, let's try it one more time, but this time off now. Alright? One. Oh my coffee! Oh! I think that was fair. You're taking 1.2 seconds, right? Yeah. Alright. You're down over there? I'm dead. Oh, get up and battle these nice people. Thank you folks for the Calico Mountain Gunfighters.
My name is Dromedary McAllister, and I am recruiting for the U.S. Camel Corps here at Calico. We used to run out of Fort Tejon here in California all the way to Indianola, Texas, and we're looking for people that like to ride.
What's up? Close this morning, and I walk in the cold dark mine. I say a prayer, my dear Savior, and let me see the sunshine on the line. Well, when will it be over? When will I lay this burden down? When I die, go in heaven, take my soul underneath the cold dark ground.
Marshals, nod your heads when you're ready. Shooters on the line. Shooters, set.
Now, as I said before, ladies and gentlemen, I am no snake oil salesman, and this is not some traveling medicine show. For this right here is not medicine. It's a miracle. There's no sore it cannot heal, no pain it cannot get rid of, no disease it cannot dispel, all within a matter of hours. When's the next stagecoach? 2 hours. In 3 hours, this will cure all that ails you. Now, don't take my word for it, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you in the audience have already experienced Doc Johnson's miracle cure. Some of you have already taken my potion. Let's see. Was it you? No. It's 180 proof. You wouldn't be allowed. All right. Let's see. Somebody in the audience who's taken my potion. You, sir, in the back with the bowler hat. You, sir, talking to the guy with the long hair. Pico Pistolero.
Sorry. Yeah, Doc Johnson's miracle cure cured me like a miracle.
Oh, praise be to me. All right, let's see. Somebody else in the audience. Somebody else who's taken my miracle cure. Somebody else from the audience. You, sir, right there.
It cured my gut, my gout, and my
Goiter. Goiter? Ah, yes, goiter! Oh, the Lord giveth, and Doc Johnson's miracle cure taketh away!
All right, one more person from the audience. Let's see here. One more person.
You, sir, right there! Yeah, buy it. Okay, that's enough testimonials, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as I said before, this sale's leaving town, so you better get on the wagon, or off it, as the case may be. It is 180 proof.
So it was a lot of going down.
Well, the thing is this
Chicken Park, Frederick, where you built it and now it's very hard. So a lot of
I feel like one forsaken, for the Halley is no longer with me now. Listen to the mockingbird, listen to the mockingbird. The mockingbird is singing all her grave. Listen to the mockingbird.
That's a nice looking piece of fudge.
I'm a singing cowboy. If you stop and listen for a spell, I'll sing you some songs about the old West. Oh, give me land, lots of land under starry skies above. Don't fence me in, let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Cayuse, let me wander over yonder till I see the mountains.
Back in 1881, some gentlemen were sitting around town hall discussing names, and not liking any of them. Then one man said, "It's as pretty as a women's calico skirt." Right then and there, they knew they found the name, Calico. And it is true, these mountains are as colorful as a calico skirt.
It says hard rock mining. Notice that there are not many.
I always love how much this actually looks like the Calico mine ride at Knott's, doesn't it? The animatronics, and except it's not a ride, it's a walkthrough.
Here at the deepest portion of Dead Man's Drift, you can see early miners hard at work, seeking that elusive silver vein. This part of the Maggie mine was given the name Dead Man's Drift because no mine timbers were used to support the roof and walls. This drift was cut through solid rock, and in more than 100 years of use, it's nearly identical to the way it looked when it was first blasted out of the mountain. Notice the unusual wooden pipes in the background. They carried water to various parts of the mine and throughout the town. Wooden pipes were all that could be used because of the high mineral content in the water. Metal pipes would decay much too quickly if used in a mining town like Calico.
What are they hiding from us, Jerry?
Yeah, she ended up so the lady.
I was like,
We're not going outside. Grandpa.
What are you thinking?
Somebody's interested.
If you are a fan of the Knott's Haunted Shack, you have to check out the Mystery Shack here.
That one is Petunia.
Petunia?
Yes.
Hi, Petunia.
Feed it to her normal, and then Tiffany, you can feed it to her normal.
You ready?
Oh yeah, you gotta hold And yeah.
So hold on to it while they're eating
Yeah,
it?
hold on to it because then they'll take bites of it.
Well, we are having a lot of fun. It is really crowded, not as crowded as Halloween, so it's kind of hard to film some of the shows and like the music acts, but there is just stuff going on everywhere, isn't there? Oh yeah, and we found our lemon drops from Knott's Berry Farm, and they have green apple, which they do not have at Knott, so we're gonna have to talk to Carl about this when we get back. These are so good. But there is literally entertainment everywhere on every single stage, demonstrations. The mine is open, the train, our train time is, where's the receipt for that?
In my purse.
Okay.
Or in my
Is at 3 o'clock. They're going to rob that train. The Mystery Shack we just did. You get to meet the Over family. Eileen Over, Bend Over, and Harry Over. Go through the Mystery Shack. If you were a fan of the Haunted Shack in Knott, you definitely want to go through that. Saw some friends of ours from Knott's Berry Farm here. We watched the performance with Odessa Red and her troupe in the town hall. We saw the teacher, we saw a magician, and there's just so much stuff. What else?
We got to go inside the schoolhouse.
Oh yeah, we got to go inside the schoolhouse. It's only open during special events like this. It's not open at Halloween, but it is open during Calico days and for ghost tours. So really cool. And it's like I'm advertising these. I get 5 cents from every lemon drop sold. We are going to the telegraph office.
Yeah, speak easy about it, sir.
Speak easy about it?
And really, it's just because I'm cheating.
That's actually 14.
All right, now, that brings back
Now the stage
Now,
shot,
so a lot of
you
people
need
are
to
used to
supplies,
casinos.
like that supplies.
And casinos are where you go and
Okay,
place that owns
ready,
the casino
and
is
now
making all
take
the
a
money.
photo.
That's not how it works in the Old West.
We are about to get on that train, but it looks like there's some bandits hiding over there. Yeah, and I'm warning you. There may be some bandits hiding on this train ride.
Monument look like. We use them on all four corners of our planes.
Miners found a drink and they went drink.
Take the money, right? Well, we might keep on moving instead of stopping. They got the money. They got your money.
Don't take my money.
You guys are supposed to have your money. Yeah, why don't you do that? Yeah, use your mouth. Y'all better give me your money.
Don't take this. Don't take it. Don't take it.
Got any water? Killing the money, not giving the money.
We got robbed.
This is an ore crusher and an aerostat. Miners will hitch a horse or mule to the
He's got the money!
We got a big full of liquor here. You're gonna start shooting. Like how you did.
Wow, that's a lot of shit going on.
Oh, there's.
Go ahead and squeeze that handle. Are you a lover or a loser? Let's find out. You are uncontrollable.
Watch out! Hey, you! Hey! Robbers! Robbers! We got the robbers over here! Oh, Jesus! Robbers! The robbers! Did you see that? Did you see that? There's robbers over here! No, there's robbers there. Of course, no, there's robbers! Are you right? Is your name Rob?
Did he rob our gambling hall?
Come over here. You don't even have a gambling hall. No, we're going to talk about this. Hold on, we're going to go talk about this. You want some of this back?
Yeah, well, I'll have it back.
Oh my God! The violence!
That was completely unexpected.
Shut up! Shut up! Let's see what they've got going on. These people like that.
It is Ghost Town alive.
Come this way. Come this way.
Come with us. Let's go get that money back.
This town is not safe. No, there's like shootouts in the street.
Where are you taking me?
There's robberies.
Give us our money back.
That is it from Calico Days here in Calico Ghost Town, Yermo, outside of Barstow. It was so much fun. Huge thank you and props to all the performers. All the presentations were really entertaining, the live bands, and all the attractions here, all the gift shops. So much to see and do at Calico. You don't have to come on California Days weekend. You can come any day of the year. They're open, I think, every day but Christmas, I think. Christmas and Thanksgiving, maybe? I'm not quite sure. But they're open year-round. Weekdays, very quiet. So you can have the place to yourself. The Ghost Haunt is so much fun. Make sure you check out our videos from that. It is a family-friendly Halloween event last 2 weekends in October. And they have some other events coming up, like an Easter and a bluegrass celebration. So make sure you check out their website. The Train, the Mystery Shack, and the Pan for Gold and the Maggie Mine are additional charge. There is an entrance fee to the town to walk around and explore, and those additional attractions are nominal fees. Still much cheaper than going to any other theme park or amusement park, and this is real living history here. So if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and then check out our other videos from here at Calico. Thanks for watching.